Hi, I'm Let Liu. I've got my stunning model here, Maddie. Let's have some fun with Infinity Metallic Toners. So for Maddie, I have pre-lightened the hair with the Ultimate Lift System Blonde, and that will give us a super clean canvas to apply the Infinity Metallic Toners to. So for Maddie's root, I used the Pearl Rose, and then I'm going to melt into a super beautiful Copper Rose with a mixing ratio 1:1 with converter. My top tips is to apply Infinity Metallic Toners generously because you're going to get a super duper even and perfect result. What I love about Infinity Metallic Toners, they are so shiny, it gives you a superb finish on your client. Infused with shea butter and argan oil, look at the shine and the gorgeous tone. I just love metallic.